I'm always looking for new ways to add a bit of sparkle to an outdoor space, so I'm going to show you how to create a garden chandelier to add a bit of bling to your backyard.
Here's what you'll need: a wooden wheel, hanging jars and tea lights, some potted succulents, a bit of fake ivy or real ivy, rope and twine, and some battery-operated fairy lights for effect.
I'm just using a little bit of natural twine to hang those jars and tea lights from the outside of the wheel. But for real effect, check this out. I've also hung some jars from the center of the wheel using longer pieces of string to really get that chandelier look. Soften the wooden wheel by winding the ivy around the rim. Then add the string of fairy lights to make it glow at night. Now we need something to be able to hang this with. I'm just using rope because I really want that nice rustic look. Just be sure to choose some kind of material that's strong enough to support the weight of your garden chandelier. Simply attach 4 lengths of rope at even spacings around the circle. Then join them at the top so it's ready to hang. These succulents have been potted into terracotta pots that fit perfectly between the spokes, so simply slot them in for a bit of rustic flair. Now all that's left to do is to find the perfect space to hang it. Now remember, there's a bit of weight in this, so find somewhere sturdy.